Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we have got this quadrilateral ABCD such that this side length AB equal to this side length BC equal to this side length CD, and moreover this angle C is 30 degrees. And now we are going to calculate this angle X. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Let's make an observation right now. AB, this AB side length equal to this side length BC, and we know that there's a 90-degree angle between them. So that gives us a good clue to create a square ABCP, as you can see in this figure. And since this is a square, so that means all these sides are equal in length. And here's our next step. We know that this angle BCD is 30 degrees, and we know that this whole angle is 90 degrees. So this angle has got to be 90 minus 30 is going to be 60 degrees. So thus our angle PCD turns out to be 60 degrees. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and connect these points P and D. Let's go ahead and connect these points P and D. And here's our much nicer looking diagram. And as a result, we get this triangle PCD. And now we can see that this triangle PCD is an isosceles triangle since this side length equal to this side length. So therefore, this angle is going to be equal to this angle. And since this angle is 60 degrees, these angles have got to be 60 degrees as well. And now since all these three angles are 60 degrees, so that means this triangle PCD is going to be an equilateral triangle. So that means this side length equal to this side length equal to this side length as well. And here's our next step. We know that this angle is 60 degrees. This whole angle is 90 degrees. So that means this angle has got to be 90 minus 60 is going to be 30 degrees. So therefore our angle APD turns out to be 30 degrees. And now let's focus on this triangle APD. And we know that this is an isosceles triangle since this side is equal to this side. So therefore this angle has got to be equal to this angle. If this angle is 30 degrees, then these both angles are going to be 75 degrees each. So thus our angle PAD turns out to be 75 degrees. And we know that this angle A is 90 degrees, and this is equal to the sum of these two individual angles. This one 75 degrees and this angle X. So therefore we can write down this angle X plus 75 degrees equal to 90 degrees. And now let's subtract 75 degrees from both sides to isolate X. This is gone. So our X turns out to be equal to 15 degrees. So thus our angle X turns out to be 15 degrees, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.